One of the main features is the ability to produce and save measurement reports and images. These files can be archived in both local and network folders, according to the requirement of Industry 4.0. This feature allows an immediate sharing of data between various departments of the company, making their reciprocal integration easier. The measurement capabilities of the equipment are extensive and accurate. In addition to annular rings, the system can measure width of traces and isolation spaces between traces, diameters, distances between holes or pads within the field of view. These detailed measurements ensure extremely accurate quality control of the layup, lamination, and CNC drilling stages. A particularly useful feature is the ability to create presets for each job code. These presets contain optimal X-ray vision and measurement parameters, specific to each type of panel. Operators can quickly recall these presets, allowing for fast and precise machine setup based on the type of panel to be inspected. This function not only increases operational efficiency, but also reduces the risk of human errors in setup. The ability to collect, analyze, and share data in real time allows for continuous quality monitoring, facilitating process optimization and complete production traceability. In conclusion, this inspection station represents a significant step forward in printed circuit board production. By combining measurement precision, operational flexibility, and data integration, it provides companies the necessary tools to improve product quality, increase production efficiency, and stay competitive in the Industry 4.0 era.